Yesterday did not taste good.
It's got Nesquik just doesn't. I don't know. Making art.
Hi. That is not a cow.
Come here.
You like that chocolate?
Oh my gosh, it's such a cute dog. You want, okay, I wrote, this is right here. Wait, no, actually, right here.
So, I said so right here.
Open that window. No birds are probably gonna go in it though. Because there's no birds that are around. Detailed. Okay. No, it is for your nose.
Oh, chickens.
Ow.
You can't lose that everything? Well. Because you have
touch it. Touch it, Jordan.